eat, sleep, drink, bath, cry or feel, because they do not have any emotion. They do not need to sleep or eat anything to get healthy. But humans can do all of these because they need to get because human needs to be healthy, and they have emotions in themselves. Okay, computers can perform almost all tasks, but nothing without the help of human. While humans can do whatever they want or at their own will, computer perform the task but with the help of human being. While human do not need any help of the computer, they do their work with their own will. Now this is your today's explanation. Now let's move to the today's work. Okay, now open page number 16. Let's start from the question number 3. Write T for the true and F for false statement in the box. Okay, number A is computers cannot be used in schools. It is the wrong statement because we can use computer inside the school. So we will write down F over here. Now number B is computers are used in banks. That is right. So we will write down T over here. Now number C, you cannot listen to songs on computer. That is wrong because we can listen the songs on a computer. So that is false. So we will write down F over here. Now move to page number 17. Now on page number 17, look at part D. Computers are used for preparing medical reports in hospital. That is right. So we will write down T over here. In now number E, in railway stations, computers are used for reservation of seats or tickets. That is true. So we will write down T over here. Okay, now start question number 4. Students, take right the activity that computer helps you to do. Now look at number A, sleeping. Computer helps you to sleep. No, so leave the box empty. Now computer helps you to draw. Yes, so tick inside the box. Number C is doing sums. Do computer helps you to do sums? Yes, so you have to tick it. Now another one is running. Computer helps you to run? No, so leave the box. Now next one is playing games. Do computer helps you to play the games? Yes, you play the games inside the computer, so you have to tick inside the box. Now come to the next one, swimming. Do computer helps you to swim? No, so leave the box. Now come to the next one, coloring. Do computer helps you to color it? Yes, you have the software like MS Paint in which you can color, so you can color inside the computer, so take the box. Eating, computer helps you to eat? No, you eat it by yourself, so leave the box. Now come to the exercise. Let's have fun. You have to leave question number 1. There is no need of question number 1. You have to directly jump on the question number 2. Now I am going to read it. Look at the pictures and write who humans, computers can use items under each one. Now this exercise you have to do it by your own. I am going to explain it only. Now look at these 4 pictures. Here are 4 pictures given. You have to identify that this picture is going to be used by whom. Now here is a lunch, breakfast, or you can say anything. Now this food is going to be eaten by humans, so you can write down human in the blank. Now here is the switchboard. You can use it with the computer. Yes, because computer runs with the electricity and electricity comes from the switchboard, so you can write down computer in the blank. Similarly with the rest of the 2 pictures, you have to do the same work. Now do this fun exercise and send me the overall picture of your work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.